If you are looking for the best concrete driveway cleaner, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Chomp Pull It Out Oil Stain Remover for Concrete. Forget about the old oil stains, as this Chomp concrete cleaner works very nicely. The cleaner is effective on petroleum-based stains, which are commonly found on paver driveways and garage floors. Chomp Pull It Out uses a deep penetrating formula to lift stains from porous flooring surfaces like concrete and brick. Unlike other stain removers that use harmful chemical compounds to attack tough oil and grease stains, Pull It Out Stain Remover helps to address these problems safely and simply. This cleaning formula is convenient and easy to use. Number 2. Terminator HSD Eco-Friendly Bio-Remediates. Terminator HSD Concrete Cleaner was formulated to be the most concentrated oil stain remover in the market. It contains billions of microbacteria that digest oil and gas. It requires no scrubbing to remove even the deepest oil stain. It will easily and safely remove oil stains from concrete and driveways. It works great on engine oil, hydraulic fluid, diesel, transmission fluid, brake fluid, antifreeze, and any other type of hydrocarbon. Terminator's hungry microbacteria work to remove oils of any kind. Number 3. Eximo Waterless Concrete Cleaner for Driveway. This is a waterless concrete cleaner that can effectively remove the oil. The packing is available in 3 lbs, 12 ounces, and 36 lbs. The way that this cleaner works is that it breaks down the long hydrocarbon chains in the oil and therefore restoring the surface like new. The cleaner works even on the old oil stains, which is one of the greatest advantages. As per the information available, it is quite an eco-friendly cleaner since it doesn't use water and it removes the oil stains with the help of the mechanism called bio-remediation. Number 4. Simple Green 18202 Concrete and Driveway Cleaner. It's a non-degrading and non-corrosive product that is very powerful, and it is meant for concrete and asphalt floors such as driveways and surface streets. It is also a very concentrated liquid, and this one bottle makes over 11 gallons of cleaning solution. The product is a great overall floor cleaner that has a variety of uses, and it works more efficiently when used with a power washer. If you have trees around your patio area that leave sap and gunk on the patio, you can use Simple Green for cleaning patios. It will remove that stuff instantly. Number 5. ACT Concrete Cleaner removes oil, grease, mildew stains on driveway. This eco-friendly cleaner is perfect for cleaning patio, driveways, pavers, wood, soil, plastic, and other surfaces. It is USDA certified and can be used safely around people, animals, and plants. ACT Concrete Cleaner is quick and easy to use. The product. This is an eco-friendly formula, and a scientific one uses microorganisms that produce extracellular enzymes, which help in breaking down petroleum, resulting in cleaning the concrete surfaces efficiently. It can cover an area of 100 square ft, with just 1 lb. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.